Today we're here at 24865 Outlook. This place is gorgeous at the top of the hill with incredible ocean views. Every single room in this house has beautiful panoramic views of the ocean, the hills, the forest. It's gorgeous. This modern kitchen is spectacular. All the finishes are absolutely gorgeous, from the farmhouse sink to the beautiful quartz countertops. And how would you like to enjoy your morning cup of coffee in this beautiful dining room? It's absolutely spectacular. And if you think the insides are nice, the outside is spectacular. Decks positioned all around the house, maximizing the views, getting great natural sunlight. And imagine waking up in the morning with these spectacular views. What a great way to start your day. This primary bedroom and bathroom are breathtaking. I wanted to show you one of the guest rooms just to give you an example of how everything is spectacular. Every room in the house has epic views, beautiful finishes, and natural sunlight.